welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we got a deep dive on Bitcoin as Bitcoin is teasing yet another all-time high. How high can we see Bitcoin go? Specifically, will Bitcoin make it to $200,000? That's what we're discussing in today's video. But before we start, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any updates like this. And make sure to share the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. It's a one-stop shop where you can buy, swap Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies with the best wallet. The smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Recommended by very reputable sources in the crypto and finance space. A multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial wallet. And again, every download supports the channel tremendously. All right, back to Bitcoin as Bitcoin is teasing yet another all-time high. The last time we saw it in these price zones was August. So again, it's been some time now, but Bitcoin seems to be reclaiming and holding strong in this $220,000 spot. It's actually, Bitcoin actually hit a 2-month high above $120,000. This crypto stock stormed 150%. Everyone seems to be talking about Bitcoin as Bitcoin is the hot topic of the winter or fall, I guess. It looks like we are entering a fantastic only up October. That term's kind of coined Uptober because historically speaking, at least in the past 10 years, historically, crypto has performed exceptionally during these times. And again, we're having another fantastic year. Quick market update. Market has reached a $4.2 trillion market cap. That's up over just under 2% on the day. Fear and greed index is slowly creeping back towards greed at 59. And altcoin season is currently sitting 65 out of 100. And RSI is sitting at 57, getting closer to overbought as a ton of buying pressure enters the market, especially for Bitcoin and some of the top alts. Even Ethereum could be on the road to $4,000. BNB just continues to soar. Looks like we could be crossing 1,200 very soon. Everything's pumping the market, and here's everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Now, can Bitcoin reach $200,000 a cycle? We're talking about what, $78,000 more, and we're talking about like billions of dollars coming into Bitcoin. Absolutely possible, especially with the ETF demand and ETF inflow. And I believe that future's coming very soon. We're also seeing some pretty big psychological moments when we're talking about the price, right? When we talk about, hey, this is in CAD, we're getting very close to the $200,000 mark. Again, these levels just seem to be psychological, where people want to see it reach these levels and hold at these levels. And then I think in Euro, it's about to cross 100,000 or just cross 100,000 as well. So again, big psychological zone over here as well. And again, we're starting to cross these markets, and then we're going to cross 200,000 in Canadian very soon. But again, even in USD, I feel that's a big milestone that is yet to come for Bitcoin. Talking about Bitcoin, guys, if you're into Bitcoin, you're going to absolutely love this crypto pre-sale project. It's been taking off. They've raised over $20 million in the pre-sale, actually over $21.2 million in the pre-sale. This one is called Bitcoin Hyper. They are bringing L2 solutions to Bitcoin. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scale and speed for Bitcoins are finally here. What does it really mean? If you're new to crypto, you don't understand how L2 works, you'll be able to build more and make Bitcoin easier to transact on, and actually have devs creating on Bitcoin like we've been seeing building on ETH, Solana, BNB over the years. Hyper is going to unlock the fastest chain in Bitcoin history, unlocking cheaper transactions for payments, meme coins, and dApps. So again, making Bitcoin more buildable. If you're interested in buying into this pre-sale, you buy directly from the website. I'll be linking the website link in the description box below for your convenience. In 1 day and 14 hours is set for the next price increase. So remember the lowest price, excuse me, remember the lowest price, now is the time to strike. Link in the description box below. All right, we even see Forbes is covering Bitcoin. Bitcoin flirts with all-time high as strong demand and robust momentum fuels gains. We've seen Bitcoin prices come close to setting a fresh all-time high on Friday, October 3rd, as intense demand and growing momentum places upward pressure on the digital currency. The world's largest currency by total market value rose to nearly $124,000 according to Coinbase data from TradeView. We see some strong momentum building in the market, which is making Bitcoin drive to a lot of attention, and everyone wants a piece of this pie, which is why I think it's only going to continue to soar. We're seeing a lot of headlines, everyone's talking about it, and a lot of money starting to flow in, especially when we take the ETFs as well. But can we see a $200,000 Bitcoin? That's what it's starting to look like. Bitcoin to 200K by end of 2025. This cycle indicates points to explosive months ahead. Again, a lot of people are coining this cycle specifically to be a super cycle. We're finally seeing the adoption between mainstream and the crypto world. It's always been two separate sides of the coin, but we're starting to see that bridging gap, especially when we look at traditional finance and Bitcoin. Bitcoin dynamics have been increasing since July, potentially setting up for a late year rally to over $200,000. Large holders and ETFs are driving demand with significant increases in the BTC holding compared to previous years. A price move above 116,000 is crucial for transitioning into a bull market phase with potential valuations between $160,000 to $200,000. Looks like a lot of bullish momentum is going to flow into Bitcoin, so I would pack your bags accordingly. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. For more Bitcoin updates like this, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's Frank Umar. Peace.